So if you've been on Amazon merch recently, then you may have noticed that the BSR ranks are gone, or in some cases, they're showing a different category than what we're used to. So this is men's fashion, BSR rank 46, and it's not the traditional clothing category that we're used to seeing. Or here we've got boys novelty t-shirts with a BSR rank of 12, nothing like what we had before. And this is happening in Chrome. All of the Chrome extensions don't seem to be able to display the traditional category BSR anymore, and a lot of shirts that should have a BSR or do have a BSR are not even showing it. They all just say rank not found. So there is a bit of a workaround to this, or a fix. I'm guessing the BSR will probably come back. It's not the first time that it's disappeared, but if you're trying to do research right now for free on Amazon.com, you can still do it with Microsoft Edge. And I never imagined that I would be recommending Microsoft Edge in a video as a useful tool, but it actually works in this browser, and I'm guessing it also probably works in some other browsers that support Chrome extensions. I'm not sure which ones do, but if you don't have Microsoft Edge, I would do some research into that. But yeah, as you can see, I added the Productor extension right here to my Edge browser, and then coming to Amazon.com again, typing in the same search phrase, the BSRs actually load right here, and it's for the correct category. So we've got clothing and shoes, 1 million BSR, 90k BSR. So this all looks very normal. Not sure why this is happening, why the Chrome extension works in Edge, but it doesn't work in Chrome. But anyway, this is a bit of a workaround. I hope they come back to Chrome soon, because I definitely prefer that to Microsoft Edge. But besides that, if you can find a browser that works in the paid research tools, the BSR is still showing up, like Flying Research, for example. That's still showing BSR ranks. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below if you found any other workarounds for this, and check out this video next if you're looking for some free tools that can help you grow your Amazon merch sales.